Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable music in Pokemon TCG Pocket. If you want to play Pokemon TCG Pocket distraction-free with the music and background music turned off, then follow through the process. First of all, open up the Pokémon TCG Pocket app on your device and from the home page, tap the menu button at the bottom right corner. In the expanded menu, click on Other. Inside Other, go ahead and tap Settings. Inside the Settings menu, toggle off the button right next to background music and sound effect and make sure that they are turned off like this. Once the music and sound effect option is turned off, you can enjoy Pokemon TCG Pocket without the background music, allowing you to focus better or play in a quieter environment. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.